Courage is knowing that it might hurt and doing it anyway. Stupidity is knowing that it might hurt and doing it anyway. And that's why life is so confusing. Let's make dinner. Hi, my name is Peter. Welcome to the IDRY kitchen, where we cook easy meals for busy people. Today we're going to make a super yummy balsamic basil chicken. This is an easy meal to put in front of the family tonight. So here is what we'll need.
Is dinner ready yet?
No, not quite yet. 2.5 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. 1/4 cup or 2 fluid ounces of extra virgin olive oil. 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 large zucchini. We're going to cut that into half moons. 8 ounces of mushrooms. 6 ounces of cherry tomatoes or tomatoes. 1 onion. Freshly grated Parmesan. We're going to use that for garnish. We're going to need an extra 3 tablespoons of extra olive oil. Some basil and seasoning. Freshly ground black pepper and salt. Okay, we need to make the marinade. Grab a bowl. We need to put in the balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of extra virgin oil, the mustard, and the salt and pepper. Okay, let's mix this up. Good. Now we throw in the chicken. Well, we don't throw it in. Place. Good. Let's get our hands dirty. There we go. Good. Now what we need to do, cover this, put it in the fridge. You can do it overnight or at least 5 hours. So, I'll see you in 5 hours. Bye. Okay, we're back. Went for a run, had a shower, changed my top. We're ready to cook. Let's put this aside and we need to prepare the vegetables. Okay, let's do mushrooms. Then we're just going to chop these into quarters. They've already been washed. Okay, I'll speed this bit up. Okay, good. Now the onion. Zucchini. Good. Tomatoes. I think I'll put these in half. I even cut them in half. Okay, big ones I cut in half, the small ones I leave whole. Alright, good. Okay, that's the veg done. Let's start cooking the chicken. Okay, got a hot pan here. Let's put in some oil. Okay, now we're going to put the chicken. Let's try and drain it a little bit. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, we want to sear this for about 6 minutes each side. While you're doing that, let's put the oven on. 420 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade, gas mark 7. Okay, that's 6 minutes each side. Let's turn them off now. Put them aside. Good. Let's get this out of the way. Don't need that anymore. Okay, what I want to do here now is season these vegetables. Pepper, salt, okay, and I want to spray some olive oil. Okay, let's mix them up. Now what I want to do is I want to take some out. Okay, this should be good. Then you wash my hands. Okay, now I want to place the chicken between the vegetables. Smells great already. Okay, bury them in there. Okay, good. Then I'm going to put the other vegetables around and on top. Kind of hiding them. Good. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, here we go. It smells amazing. Let's get a bit of chicken. Nice. Some veg. It's very hot. Good. And put some Parmesan cheese. And some basil, or basil. Good. There you have it. You can serve it with some potatoes or rice. Anyway, it's a good one to put on the dinner table for the family tonight. See you next time. Bye.